Hello, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Tech News Channel, your go-to source for the latest in the ever-evolving world of technology. I'm Rambo, and today we have a jam-packed episode filled with exciting updates, groundbreaking innovations, and everything you need to stay at the forefront of the tech universe. Have you ever felt a tingling sensation that starts at the crown of your head, making its way down your spine, and then spreading warmth and relaxation throughout your body? Have you ever wondered what causes this sensation? Welcome to the world of ASMR. ASMR stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response. A mouthful, isn't it? But don't worry. Understanding it isn't as daunting as pronouncing it. It is a term that describes a distinct, pleasurable, tingling sensation in the head, scalp, or peripheral regions of the body in response to visual, auditory, tactile, olfactory, or cognitive stimuli. Let's break it down further. The autonomous part means that it's a phenomenon that happens independently. You don't consciously control it, it just happens. Sensory refers to your senses or the way you perceive the world around you. Meridian is a peak or pinnacle, and in this context, it refers to the peak of pleasure you experience. The response is simply how your body reacts to stimuli. Now, let's talk about the stimuli. It could be anything from the sound of a whisper to visuals of methodical, task-oriented actions like folding clothes or brushing hair. Some people also get ASMR from watching people perform simple, mundane tasks such as painting or cooking. The sensations associated with ASMR are usually described as warm, pleasurable tingles, waves, or shivers. People often say it feels like goosebumps, but in a good way. It's like a mental massage, a brain hug, or even a low-grade euphoria. The key to understanding ASMR is to realize that it's not just about what you watch or hear, but also about how you react to it. It's a very personal experience, and what triggers ASMR in one person might not work for another. ASMR isn't just a strange internet phenomenon. It's a sensation that people have been experiencing for years, but it was only named and recognized in the last decade or so. It's also been suggested that ASMR could be used as a relaxation technique or even as a way to combat insomnia or anxiety. In summary, ASMR is a unique sensory experience characterized by pleasurable, tingling sensations in response to certain triggers. It's autonomous, meaning it happens on its own, and the triggers can vary greatly from person to person. The sensations are typically described as warm, pleasurable tingles or waves, and can provide significant relaxation and even help with sleep and anxiety. So the next time you feel that pleasant tingling sensation, know that it's your body experiencing ASMR. It's an interesting and unique part of the human experience, and one that continues to fascinate and intrigue researchers and enthusiasts alike.